I blow out the candles every birthday. I am blowing up balloons for the party right now. I have just blown my whole budget. I have been blowing the whistle at games for years. I blew a fuse yesterday. I was blowing on my soup when it spilled. I had blown the dust off the shelves before the guests came. I had been blowing my nose all day before I took the medicine. I will blow the horn when I arrive. I will be blowing bubbles with the kids this afternoon. I will have blown through my savings by summer if I'm not careful. By June, I will have been blowing glass at this workshop for 2 years.